This is incredibly cool. I'm in Boca Raton, Florida, looking at a vintage Atlantic Coast line, which used to be the Florida East Coast Rail, locomotive and caboose. Let's take a look at this thing. First, let me just show you the plaque where I am at, and you can pause this so that you can read it. There we go. You can rewind that to go read that. But yeah, look at this thing. Wow, that is a lot of antique ironwork. Imagine the pressure that this was under. That is a serious leaf spring. Wow. Let's see if I can get a peek up in. So you can imagine the conductor at the helm of that. Here's the railroad tracks behind us. Old number 12. So go ahead, put in the comments what you think of this.